Hi, welcome back. I'm Jill with The Ordered Home. I have another Thanksgiving alternative side for you today, and this one's great if you have kids. It is called Carrot Souffle, and if your kids don't like vegetables, they will like this one. So let's get started. After you collect your ingredients, you want to start with 1 pound of carrots. And peel and cut these. I did put a parsnip in here. I just substituted a parsnip for some of the carrots. Gives it a little bit of a different taste. The carrots are great. Parsnips give it a better taste, I think. After cutting these, put them in water on a stove and boil them until they are tender, because you're going to blend them in a blender. After they are done cooking, drain them and let them set aside to cool. While those are cooking, I take a little bit of coconut oil, melt it in a microwave, and I grease either a deep pie dish or a square 8x8 baking dish. After that, I set up my items in a blender: 3 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Take this mixture, mix it all up in the blender. Then you want to add a half a cup of butter. Make sure this butter is not completely melted or too hot, as it will cook the eggs. You want to make sure it's a little melted, soft at the most part, enough for the blender, but not too hot. Then you want to add your vegetables in 3 different parts here, blend them in between. I also make sure these are not too awfully hot as not to cook the eggs. Blend these all together to where there aren't any lumps and it's a nice puree. So here's the puree going into the baking dish. See how smooth that comes out? You can make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge 1 day ahead of time. Bring it to room temperature before you bake it. And here is the end result. I hope that gave you some inspiration for another alternative Thanksgiving side dish. If you do not have this for Thanksgiving, have it another day. Try it another day. It is absolutely amazing. So I will see you again real soon, probably tomorrow. Make it a great day. I hope you find order, peace, and love. I'm grateful for you. Say Happy Thanksgiving. Make it a happy day. See you again real soon.